Okay, guys, so as you can see right now on the screen, ABB is hiring for production and manufacturing engineer. Okay, and required qualifications, guys, and degree and diploma student can apply for this opportunity. And job locations, guys, Bangalore, Karnataka, they are mentioned. Okay, and this is a full-time opportunity, and job type regular and permanent. Okay, and batches eligible, guys, if this opportunity is not for fresher batches. Okay, you must have 3 to 5 year of experience, then you can simply apply for this. And your background, degree, diploma in mechanical productions, industrial engineering with 3 to 5 year of experience, hands on with rotating, balancing, rotor turning process, manufacturing techniques, tooling, and jig qualifications, process qualifications, PPAP. Okay, and familiarity with mechanical process, components, fabrication, assembly, manufacturing process. Okay, so guys, these are the required qualifications and skill for this opening. Okay, so guys, before applying, you can do check out all these thing. Okay, and after that, guys, simply how to apply for this opportunity. So here you can see apply now. Just click on it, and guys, after that you are redirect to this page. So first you have to complete your profile. For that you have to, or you can select upload resume, and you have to simply upload your resume. Okay, and fill your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, select your country and city, and simply click on next. And guys, in this way you can simply apply for this opportunity. Okay, if you face any problem, you can do comments, and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both the planning and Instagram link given in video description, so check description for more information. Okay guys, and also before submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys,